Welcome to Amazon Acumen.
Hi there guys, I hope you all will be doing fine. Today's video is the sequel to the previous video where I explained the importance of submitting company confirmation statement for UK Amazon sellers. This video will explain how you can file company confirmation statement and apply for future updates from company's house. Before filing a company confirmation statement, you first need to get a letter from company's house containing authentication code for online submission of the statement. All the links discussed in this video will be available in the description section. To receive this authentication code, you have to visit UK government website. After opening the website, you need to open this clickable link, how to get the company authentication code. Upon clicking this clickable link, the website will direct you to the page elaborating the detailed procedure of receiving the authentication code. Here you can see they have explained how you can use the code and other relevant information. So after landing on this page, we actually need to click on this request your code clickable link. After clicking, you will be directed to the company's house website where you can apply for authentication code. If you haven't created your account on company's house website, you will first need to register yourself by providing relevant information. After registration, you will click on this link and then enter your company number to continue and receive authentication code via email at your company's address. After a few days, company's house will deliver you a document containing authentication code. When you will receive the document, it will look like this. This section contains the company name and address. Below this section, you can see the issuance date, whereas if you analyze the right side of this document, you can see the company number as well as authentication code which you can use to file your company confirmation statement. This section below the authentication code area elaborates the steps that you have to follow in order to file the company confirmation statement online. So now you need to visit this link, enter your credentials here. These are the same credentials that you entered previously while applying for authentication code. After getting logged in, you can register yourself for regular reminders regarding any company related online submissions. Now, to file the confirmation statement online, we will go back to the UK government website. Click on this second link. After scrolling down, you will need to click on this link, file your confirmation statement. Log in here with your credentials. After login, you will land on this dashboard. From here, you need to click on File Confirmation Statement button. Upon clicking the button, this page will appear on your screen. Click on the Start button and select relevant options regarding your company. Click on Next. Now here you will see these 7 options. If any of these parameters regarding your company have changed, you need to click on that particular parameter and enter the updated information. After updating the information, simply click on this checkbox and submit the information. On the contrary, if nothing has changed, then you don't need to visit any of these clickable links. You can simply submit it after clicking on this checkbox. So that's how you submit your company confirmation statement online. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. That's all from Amazon Acumen for now. See you in a bit.